What's up? What's up? What's up, fam? Hey, thank you for checking in. Mr. Cosmic here. I just wanted to let you guys know how some people's asking like, so how do you do your little traveling and go around the world and still be able to maintain some kind of life and everything and making money and doing different things. Well, just like here's an example of me in Belize traveling. And one of my ways of making income amongst many that a lot of people don't talk about or a lot of people don't know about is a journal making business with Amazon, basically like a partnership, you know. Um, and with that partnership, you basically create a bunch of journals, and with those journals, what you do is you basically post them on Amazon. And on Amazon, what they do is because they market for you and they do all of the sales and stuff for you, you really don't have to worry about doing any of the sales and stuff. So all that money comes in, and then they basically send you a check, and I receive a check um, from Amazon once every month or every 2 months or something like that. And given that it's really not a lot, but every little bit counts. And if you're just relaxing at home and you're on the beach, you can create these journals by going on Canva. So I'm going to show you basically what I did is I went on Canva, and then with Canva I created all of these different journals and stuff like that. So, projects, and then what you do is I go down and I created a whole bunch of different of these type of journals, and you can see like book covers, stuff like that. And so, as you can see, here are the different book covers that I designed: sales, appointments, journals, daily journals, friends journals, different, and all of mine are custom made. Now, given you could probably make 1,000 of these a week if you just do a template. Now, when I was doing it a couple years, about 2 years ago, or a year and a half ago, I guess you might say, they didn't have it as automated, but now they have templates all over um, Canva, and they also have AI that does a lot of this stuff for you. So you can see I've got literally hundreds of journals, from workout journals to playing chess to fitness to dental journals, medical education journals, property management, travel journal. So you can see, you can go into it, you can take a look and you see what kind of journal it is. And so then once you've started creating these journals like this, what you do is um, once you create them, what you do is you go ahead and you post them. Um, so then once you created it, you post them to Amazon. So as you can see here are some, like, my list of journals you can find all of this. These are all the journals that I created, all on Canva. So you can see the prices too, you know, and I get a portion of that, and you can create the price that you want. So there you have it. I've even made journals for people who are like hairstylists and stuff like that, who, they might want to write down their clients' names, numbers. Some people still old school. And I mean, like me, I like to have journals. I mean, especially when I'm traveling. I got breast cancer journals for people who are going through breast cancer, but they need just, something to write in, talk about their story. I've recently had a buddy whose wife passed, and she had cancer, but it wasn't breast cancer, but she wrote a book, before her passing. And, it was just a testament to her life, and Unfortunately. But yeah, the thing is, so this is what you can do. You can create that. There's meditation journals. If you play poker, look, I made a journal for poker. I mean, so again, I've got a lot of travel journals. So what you do is once you've gotten these, like a lot of people on YouTube are professional coaches. So what you do is you go right here. I'm going to actually take you through the process right here. Now you've gotten all of this created. You've gotten it posted. You made an Amazon account, a business account, and an affiliates account, and everything like that. And so now you got that account set up. Okay, now you posted your journals. Okay, now your journals are up. You made the pricing. You got it. That's a whole process in and of itself that I'm skipping past, but I'm just letting you know because that's the bigger major part. The part of figuring out how to upload these journals to Amazon is a whole process. You'd have to look. You had to. I think I might have made somewhat of a video on there. You have to look into my videos to see that. But then you go over to the corner over here to post. And so what we do is go right there, and then so then you look around and you see, oh, I could post some of this stuff to different settings, different places. So here's my Cosmic Training Academy. I can post it right there, and I can say professional coaching journal for sale on Amazon. You see what I'm saying? And then boom, who can see it? You can schedule it. Schedule it for later. You can put it on different times. Let's just say the 26th October. And then sometime it lets me post to groups, but in this particular time it did. But yeah, and so that's that. Boom, gone. Or, let's just say you don't have Facebook, but you have, let's just say, Twitter. So let's go over here to Twitter. Here you go. And you can see my Cosmic Training Academy page, professional coaching, and, just post it up. Boom. And then when the people go to those links, they come right over here to this page. It brings you straight to Amazon. And basically people buy a journal that they want. So, just to let you guys know, that's how it is. So hopefully that helps you guys with your extra money coming in while you're traveling. But again, make journals. They only take, don't take as long as I took, because I was taking an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours sometimes, and it because I wanted my journals to be so special. But to be honest with you, people just looking for books to write in. So don't get too caught up in all of that. Okay. So that's that. And then I would show you the bank account, but maybe I'll say that for another day. So that's that, guys. All right. Well, I hope that helps. I'm Mr. Cosmic. And thank you for checking out my channel. Like and subscribe if you like different stuff like this. Check out my other channels, Cosmic Training Academy, where we talk about trade, travel, and training. And I'll see you guys on the other side. Later.